Hello! Hi, today in front of me Oppo A57s and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner that's on this device. So just I set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint just to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, I'm with a simple touch just unlock the device. The fingerprint scanner works here correct. You just can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.